that clean. You know what I'm saying?
No, you ain't got no choice. You ain't got no choice.
Hey, this thing crazy too, bro.
I already
this thing
know.
Can be dangerous, for real.
It's dangerous.
For real, bro.
It's a machine on the road. Start it up real quick. Woo! It's like a machine. Man, work hard, play hard. Work hard, play hard. That ain't sounding mean, too. Hey, what's going on out there, YouTube, man? It's a beautiful morning. It's cold. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia. 28 degrees, man. Whew. Feel like Indianapolis, Indiana. That's why I'm ready to get down to Florida. Man, it's about to be awesome. It's about to be amazing. So I'm just out here right now warming up my truck and warming up the U-Haul. We ready to go. It's time to go, man. Hey, so in this video, hey, I just want to touch on and let you guys know, man, how you can start dispatching owner-operators and how you can actually start scaling up that business so that you can start hiring on dispatchers to help you guys out there and to help you guys make money, man. That's what it's all about out here. You know what I'm saying? It's about being able to take care of your family. It's about being able to take care of those kids. It's about being able to get away from that 9-to-5 job and have that pure freedom and that flexibility out there. So that's what I'm gonna be talking about in this video, on how you guys can actually scale up that freight dispatching company. In my previous video, I talked about how you guys can scale up that freight brokerage and start hiring on freight agents, you know, so you guys can start making a little bit more money out here. So also, if you guys haven't went over to my new YouTube channel, I posted my first video yesterday on Brandon Manny the Mentor. So if you guys want to register for this $500 cash giveaway, if you guys want to win a free ticket to me and my business partner live free dispatcher training workshop in Orlando, Florida, March 7th through the 8th. If you guys want to win a free freight broker training or free dispatcher training or a free 1-hour mentorship consultation session with myself, please click the link below, which will take you to my new YouTube channel. And then from there, I'm going to tell you guys on how you can register to put your name in this drawing that I'm going to be doing live on February 1st. So, man, life is amazing, man. I just want to put that out there to you guys, man. It's cold out here, but hey, let's get to this content. Man, so we made it to Florida. I'm talking about we made it to the Sunshine State. Look at my business partner.
You gotta keep it clean. You gotta keep it clean.
Hey, business owners. You know, man, we came a long way. Me and him both. 2005, both of us went to the Navy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, tell them what was your job?
I was at AZ, Aviation Maintenance Administration, right out there on that USS George Washington.
USS George.
Aircraft carrier.
Man, aircraft carrier, man. So, hey, I just want to put this video out to you guys today, man. Tell you guys, hey, the importance of being a business owner. I know you guys hear this a lot from me, but hey, that's what it's about, being a business owner. So when it come down to it, I told you guys yesterday on how you could grow your freight broker company. You know what I'm saying? Your freight brokerage. Today, I'm gonna tell you guys how to actually scale up that freight dispatching company. And once again, it's very simple. You know, starting a dispatching company, look at him right there. You know what I'm saying? My business partner right there, straight from dispatching.
From dispatch.
Starting that dispatching company. You know what I'm saying? So this is what it could get you. You know, people that hit me up and said, Manny, is dispatching and freight brokering, is that some type of scam or get rich overnight type of quick scheme? I'm like, nah, dispatching and freight brokering has been around since trucking, you know, so just take that. This is a business and this is what it could get you. It ain't no boasting and ain't no bragging going on. You guys know me. Only thing that I'm trying to do is inspire people out here, you know, so I'm down in Florida and it's about to go down. So like I say, it's easy. The way you guys are going to scale up your freight dispatching company is by, of course, hiring dispatchers. That's the only way you're going to be able to scale up any type of business. You guys have to get out here and start hiring people. You know, so the way my business partner scaled up his freight dispatching company was by hiring dispatchers. So for you guys out there, what you say?
I said, yeah, because you can't do it all by yourself. Not if you want to scale it. Not if you really want to build the company up. Like B said, you're going to have to hire dispatchers.
So, like you say, hiring, you know what I'm saying? Hiring dispatchers. So now when it comes down to it, we charge 8% to dispatch. So for every load out there that we book, we get 8% off of it. So if we book a load for $1,000 right now, we get $80 off of it. But you guys will be booking multiple loads on a day-to-day basis, so that money will start adding up. So the way that you can actually scale up your business is by hiring dispatchers. So you could give your dispatcher 4% of that 8%, or you could give them 5%. It just depends what you want to do. My business partner was doing 5%, so he'd get 3% off of every transaction. But he's not doing anything for it, of course, because that actual dispatcher that he hired is doing the work. So that's the way you're going to scale up your business. Start hiring dispatchers, train them up. You learn how to dispatch, and then you start training other people. You know what I'm saying? So that's just how the game go out here. Man, 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans Financial Services. Man, me and my business partner, like I say, we just got to Florida. We had a long day yesterday and a long day today. And this is my first time riding with him right now. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time riding in this Corvette 2019. What is it, Stingray?
Hey, yeah, I'm about to take him for a ride.
Oh.
I'm about to take him for a ride. You already know.
I'm ready too. Look at it. Man, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I'm proud of him. You know what I'm saying? Like, we done came a long way, you know, and I'm gonna tell you guys, man, I'm proud of him. You know, that, I'm proud of him, man. Yeah. You know, we doing this together, you know, so if you ain't got people around you that ain't trying to I ain't saying they gotta be doing what you doing, because ain't nobody to say that that's right or wrong. But if you about making your family better, making the people around you better, if ain't nobody making you better in your circle, you know what I'm saying? It's time to go ahead and let them go. Because my circle is small. You know what I'm saying? They say no squares and no triangles allowed. So, hey, everybody out there, man. CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.